Welcome back to the Wealth Whisperer. Today, we're going to talk about achieving financial success in 2023. While making $1 million in a year might be an unrealistic goal for most, it's essential to focus on building a strong financial foundation and working towards your financial goals. So let's get it. Segment 1. Setting financial goals. The first step to financial success is setting clear and achievable financial goals. Ask yourself what you want to achieve in 2023. Is it buying a home, starting a business, or saving for retirement? Having specific goals will give you direction and motivation. Segment 2. Budgeting. Now let's talk about budgeting. Creating and sticking to a budget is crucial. Track your income and expenses to understand where your money is going. Cut unnecessary expenses and prioritize saving and investing. Segment 3. Saving and investing. Saving and investing are key to growing your wealth. Set up an emergency fund for unexpected expenses and consider investing in assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate. Diversifying your investments can help manage risk. Segment 4. Education. In 2023, financial literacy is more critical than ever. Take the time to educate yourself about personal finance, investment strategies, and tax planning. The more you know, the better financial decisions you can make. Segment 5. Consistency. Remember, building wealth takes time and consistency. Stay disciplined and committed to your financial goals. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes that often lead to disappointment. Segment 6. Seek professional advice. If you're unsure about your financial strategy, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. A financial advisor can help you create a customized plan based on your goals and risk tolerance. Conclusion. In conclusion, while making $1 million in a year might not be a realistic goal for everyone, you can achieve financial success in 2023 by setting clear goals, budgeting wisely, saving and investing, educating yourself, and staying consistent. Remember, it's about building a strong financial foundation for a secure future. Thank you for joining us today on the Wealth Whisperer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips and advice. Let us know in the comments below what financial goals you're working towards in 2023. Until next time, keep hustling.